Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each equation and check the solution. Part A, x plus 14 equals 31. Part B, y minus 9 equals negative 4. Part C, negative 7 plus z equals 22. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The core idea is to get the variable alone on one side. We do that by applying the opposite operation to both sides. If a number is being added to the variable, we subtract it from both sides. If a number is being subtracted, we add it to both sides. The equation stays balanced as long as we treat both sides the same way. For part A, we have x plus 14 equals 31. Since 14 is being added to x, we subtract 14 from both sides. On the left, positive 14 and negative 14 cancel, leaving just x. On the right, 31 minus 14 equals 17, so x equals 17. To check, we replace x with 17 in the original equation. 17 plus 14 equals 31, and 31 does equal 31, so the solution checks out. X equals 17 is correct. For part B, we have y minus 9 equals negative 4. Since 9 is being subtracted from y, we add 9 to both sides. On the left, negative 9 and positive 9 cancel, leaving just y. On the right, negative 4 plus 9 equals positive 5, so y equals 5. To check, we replace y with 5. 5 minus 9 equals negative 4, and negative 4 does equal negative 4. The solution y equals 5 is verified. For part C, we have negative 7 plus z equals 22. We can rewrite this as z minus 7 equals 22 using the commutative property of addition. The order of adding doesn't change the sum. Now we can see that 7 is being subtracted from z. Since 7 is being subtracted from z, we add 7 to both sides. On the left, negative 7 and positive 7 cancel, leaving z. On the right, 22 plus 7 equals 29, so z equals 29. To check, we substitute 29 for z in the original equation. Negative 7 plus 29 equals 22, and 22 does equal 22. The solution z equals 29 is verified. Here is a summary of all three solutions. For x plus 14 equals 31, x equals 17, for y minus 9 equals negative 4, y equals 5, and for negative 7 plus z equals 22, z equals 29. All three solutions check out when substituted back into their original equations. The key strategy is always the same. Find the inverse operation, apply it to both sides, and then verify your answer. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.